Hello everyone, I hope you are all having an amazing day. Sending out payments is extremely tiring when you own a huge business and have to pay a huge number of entities. And to solve this problem, we have an automation. Our client was offering cashbacks on his products and wanted to send payouts to his customers, so we created this automation where you can make mass payouts using PayPal's mass payout API. As you can see, we have a create a payout, and this will allow you to pay multiple peoples at the same time. So right now, our client is handing out a form to his customers on Instagram, and when they fill this form, they submit something, the receipt, everything else, and then we decide how much we have to pay them. So that's called the. After that, we click on valid, and then we click on proceed payment button. After that, we jump to this scenario where this webhooks is triggered, and we search for the rows where the status is set to valid. Now we are converting the phone number to the exact country code that we need. So for now, we need United States here, and here we are aggregating all the payments. So what we are doing is we are aggregating all the fields into payments so that we can pay multiple people at the same time. So here we have to write the amount, the currency. After that, we have to put some sender item ID. You can do that according to your own requirement. After that, you have to set it to PayPal because we are sending out payments to people who have PayPal only. After that, we have to write the correct email here, which is required to send the payment. After that, again, if we want to give another payout, after that, we enter that payout. Now that we have created it, now we make the basic authentication here of PayPal. After that, we go to the mass payout, and we just have to add here these text aggregated fields that will carry all the payments. And after that, we can use this Google Sheet to update back that the payment has been sent and we are sending it to valid. Okay. After that, we inform them in email that we have sent you a payment. That would be it. I hope you all understand everything. Instead of using PayPal and Sheets, we can use Airtable and Stripe. We can use other platforms according to your country. Maybe you have different payment options. So we can work it out. And if you want to contact us and create an automation for yourself, you can get the link in the description to our contact form. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.